How to fix Discord camera not working issue solved. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to fix Discord camera not working issue solved. For this, at first you have to find the very Discord application on your very device. Now, after you find the very Discord application on your very device, you have to tap on Discord for a while. After you tap on Discord for a while, you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on App Information. After tapping on App Information, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to tap on Notification and then you have to enable Allow the notification. You have to go back, and after going back, now you have to tap on Permissions. Here, after you tap on Permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications and photos and videos. Again, you can go back and tap on the option of App Details in Store. After tapping on App Details in Store, now here you can see the interface like this. Here you can update your application if you want. Now after you update your very application, your problem will be solved. You have to wait until it reaches 100% here. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.